Today we are going to learn how to change brightness in your clips. First import uClip. Then go to the Effects panel and search for Brightness and Contrast. Next press and hold the effect, then drag it to your desired clip. Then in the Controls panel click the Effects arrow, then when you see this click the arrow down for the Brightness and Contrast. Then this would show up. In here we could change the values in two ways, either by scrolling the bar or clicking this number, then you could change the value. Scrolling to the right would increase your video clips brighter, while scrolling to the left would lower the brightness. For the number positive, higher numbers would make the clip brighter, while the negative numbers makes it darker. Contrast is also found here, which you could also set the same as the brightness. Far right gives the clip a more contrast version, while to the left makes it less contrasting. And that is all. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new, and please remember to leave a like, comment and suggestions for future videos, and I would see you next time.